12 tips for a speedy flu recovery. 1. Stay home. While it may be tempting to tackle household chores such as grocery shopping or laundry, it would be unwise to do so. It's best to stay at home, refrain from attending school or work, and postpone any errands until you've recuperated. Besides facilitating your recuperation, remaining at home also helps prevent the spread of the flu to your community or workplace. Given that the flu can be hazardous for young children and older adults, it's critical to avoid contact with others while you're still contagious. 2. Hydrate. Experiencing a fever is one of the symptoms of the flu, which can result in excessive sweating. Additionally, you may encounter episodes of vomiting or diarrhea. Your body requires an abundance of fluids to replenish the fluids you've lost and to combat the infection. While water is the most effective fluid, you can also consume herbal teas or honey tea. These beverages can alleviate your symptoms and keep you hydrated. However, you should always avoid alcohol and caffeine. 3. Sleep as much as possible. When battling the flu, sleep is the most effective remedy for your body. Although lounging on the couch watching television is a reasonable idea, it's not advisable to binge watch your favorite Netflix show throughout the night. Instead, it's recommended that you retire to bed earlier than usual and get some additional sleep. Additionally, taking a nap during the day can grant your body extra time to recuperate. Notably, getting enough rest and sleep decreases your likelihood of developing severe flu complications, such as pneumonia. 4. Ease your breathing. It can be difficult to sleep with a stuffy nose and cough. Try these tips to breathe easier and have a better night's sleep. Use an extra pillow to prop up your head and ease sinus pressure. Sleep with a humidifier or vaporizer in the room. Take a hot bath or shower before bed. 5. Eat healthy foods. When coping with the flu, it can be tempting to indulge in a bowl of ice cream and a bag of potato chips to lift your spirits. However, your body requires healthier nutrition to recuperate. Fresh fruits and vegetables are rich sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which bolster your immune system's defenses as it combats the virus. Even if you have little appetite, it's critical to consume regular meals to sustain your energy levels. 6. Add moisture to the air. Low humidity can exacerbate your symptoms. Using a humidifier or vaporizer infuses moisture into the air, which can alleviate congestion. Numerous types of humidifiers and vaporizers are accessible in the market. These include cooling and steam vaporizers, and they can be purchased at a reasonable price from local big box stores, pharmacies, or online. 7. Take OTC medicine. Your local drugstore's cold and flu aisle is probably brimming with an array of medication options. Certain medications address specific symptoms, such as nasal congestion, while others alleviate numerous flu symptoms simultaneously. Pain relievers, such as ibuprofen, Advil, Motrin, and acetaminophen, Tylenol, are used to mitigate fever, headaches, and body aches. Decongestants, like pseudoephedrine, Sudafed, help to clear your nasal passages and alleviate sinus pressure. Cough suppressants, such as dextromethorphan, Robitussin, can provide relief for a dry cough. Expectorants are useful for treating a wet cough that produces mucus, as they help loosen thick mucus. Antihistamines are known to have sedative effects that may assist with sleep. 8. Try elderberry. Elderberry is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat colds and the flu. Scientific studies have shown that consuming elderberry lozenges or syrup can help reduce fever, headache, muscle aches, nasal congestion, and cough associated with the flu. In one study, Those who took elderberry syrup recovered from flu-like symptoms 4 days earlier than those who took a placebo. Another study showed that elderberry extract reduced cold and flu symptoms and duration in travelers who got sick. Elderberry products are available in stores or online, but it's important to avoid eating raw elderberries as they can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Keep in mind that elderberry should be used as a complementary therapy alongside OTC or prescription medication. Have spoonful of honey to soothe your cough. Honey is a natural remedy for relieving a sore throat or cough. It can be added to tea to keep the body hydrated and treat flu symptoms. According to a study, honey was found to be more effective than common cough suppressants in controlling nighttime cough in children aged 2 to 18 years with upper respiratory tract infections. However, it's important to avoid giving honey to infants younger than a year old. Ask your doctor about antiviral drugs. Antiviral drugs require a prescription and are typically given to people at high risk of complications from the flu. These drugs work by preventing the virus from replicating and are most effective when taken within 48 hours of symptoms appearing. Individuals who may benefit from antiviral drugs include children under 5, those taking aspirin or salicylate-containing medications, individuals over 65, pregnant women, those with chronic medical conditions, people taking immune system weakening medications, individuals living in nursing homes or long-term care facilities, Native Americans, American Indian or Alaska Native, and people with a BMI of at least 40. The most commonly prescribed antiviral drug is oseltamivir, Tamiflu, but a newer drug called baloxavir marboxil, Xofluza, has been approved for individuals. 11. Get a flu shot. Scientists make annual flu vaccines based on their predictions of the dominant flu strain for the next flu season. However, sometimes their predictions may be inaccurate. If you have already had the flu, getting a flu shot can still protect you from other strains of the virus. It's important to understand that it's still possible to contract the flu again in the same season, so getting vaccinated can be a good preventative measure. Stay positive. The impact of emotions and attitudes on our physical well-being is frequently overlooked. While positive thoughts alone may not be sufficient to clear a congested nose or reduce fever, maintaining a positive outlook during an illness could potentially aid in overall recovery.